Hello, good trader, wherever you are in the world. Okay, welcome back to my second session of today. From today till 25th of February 2022. Okay, I just bring you right away to my MT5 chart. Okay, let's take a look what happened this time. Okay, today. This is the second session of today. The trading journey, trading journal from my Ichimoku series. I think it is around 5 hours before the market close. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday. The market will be closed for today, of course. We everybody know. And now 5 hours before the market close, like always, there during this time, the market moving quite volatile. Okay, let's see what happened to the trading chart toolbox. Okay, as you can see that here it's not really nice to see because I see the red color. Okay, I had the red color. That means oh, you know what it means when it's in the red color. Okay, I think I need to do something about this because I cannot just leave it like this. Tomorrow if the market is closed, and I don't like to keep the losing position overnight, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, just go straight. We check one by one the position that I have. Okay, this one, pound sterling, um, Swiss franc, pound sterling, Swiss franc. Okay, I will decided to close this one because the price is already fighting back. I will close this one. Okay, loss. Come on, man. Okay, close. Nothing happened. Oh my goodness. Why I cannot close this one? Hello. I don't know why. Okay, let's go to pound sterling GPY. Pound sterling GPY. Wait, I will back again. I will close again. Okay, it's close. So it's close. You can check the history. Okay, so it's already close. The trade position. No, it was next trade. Next trade. Okay, this one still good. Still good. 200. Was this one? Pound sterling New Zealand dollar. Pound sterling New Zealand dollar. $290. Okay, goes the next. Okay, and next, next. Still good. Still good. Average. And this one, USD dollar. I close it minus $61. Close. Come on, close. This one, this one, this one. This one is the gold, and the last one is Euro USD. What do you think, guys? Did I need to close it? For the moment, it's minus $31. Minus $31. Okay, now is this pound sterling GPY, pound sterling GPY, pound sterling GPY, GPY. I'll still a little bit think about this, but I will just leave it like that. Okay. So basically, I have one, two, two position that I close is minus. Okay, this is today, 25th, minus. So in general, it is a 60 plus 30 around minus 90. Okay, I'm still thinking about this. Pound sterling, Japanese yen. Do I need to close it? And Euro USD. I'm supposed to be closed this afternoon, right? Not today. Oh, scheiße. Shit. Really shit. Okay. But I saw some opportunities to open a new position. Eyes. Okay, again. One, two, three, four. See, I know it. See, I know it, man. I know that it's gonna be going down, but I didn't take the position because, like I explained before, that I have quite too much open position. This, okay, this is look promising, as you can see. The Chico span outside, outer space, and the green candle here outside the Kumo cloud, and we're just waiting for the Chiku for the Tenkan-sen and then Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen going the direction is going to how to call it in English to going to the this direction going down. Okay, but I will decided to open the trade is voila. Okay, one new trade. I just leave it stay overnight. Another 5 hour. I don't think something big will happen. I will leave the stop loss empty. Okay, and next. Okay, this one, this one. Okay, this also is good. This is clear chart. Chiku spans in outside the Kumo, pointing down. Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen also pointing down. And this is the strong bearish look. This is the 6 hour time frame. And this is the new candle. Okay, I will open the trend 0.1 lot. Okay, good. Okay, 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 okay. So basically this one, I'm still waiting for this one. Euro against Canadian dollar. Okay. It seems like the price is sideways in the sell position. We're just waiting. Maybe next week's gonna have some movement. So basically, I closed two position and I open again another new two position. As you can see, okay, this one and this one and this one minus $90. Minus $90. Oh, so many red man. Okay, that's okay. That is business. Okay, you have to accept when you lost. We're just human. Okay, loss is part of the game. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Good. I'm a little bit worried about margin level. Normally, I like to having the comfort zone, the margin level around 5,000%, but of course 2,600 something. It's not really bad for the moment. Still equity is $5,326. Okay, can you see the spread is quite big. I open pound sterling, Norwegian kroner, and already minus $12, and this one as well minus $3. Euro one. Let's see what happen next week. Okay, next week is already March because this February only until 28. 28 is Monday. Still February, Monday, 28, and after that we will having a new months. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thanks you for watching. If you have any question, just put your comment in the column comment below. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Keep safe. Keep healthy. And I'll see you in another vlog. Thank you and bye.